student and very supportive, helping student of English John since last 5 to 6 years. Ever he comes, join us, and always whenever there is a work. So he is the first one. He says yes, I will be there and I will be doing that work. So he is Arvind sir from former student of English John English Training Academy. Right now he is preparing for IS examination. Very first, we wish soon he will be as a selected IAS among us. And first or the second IAS from Makrana. Our wishes, good wishes, and obviously blessing from the sir and all the elders with him. And here is a quick discussion and some findings from his preparation, from his learnings, knowledge. So my first question is that you choose to be an IAS, and it is not a simple journey. I think it should be bilingual so it can be understandable. चूज करना जब आप बोलते हो आईएएस बनना है, सो इस आईएएस बनना है इतना बोलना ही एक इजी नहीं है. जैसे हम टीचर बनना है बोल दिया, इट्स ओके, बट चूजिंग ए हाई टारगेट जो ना आपको आसपास में ना इसकी कोचिंग मिलेगी, ना कोई गाइड करने वाला है, ना कोई सपोर्ट करने वाला है, एंड नो वन इन द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. सो व्हाट डज मोटिवेट्स यू टू बिकम एन आईएएस एंड what supports you the most in your motivation, in your self motivation?
First of all, very kindful words. So I'm, very grateful that you all are using such words for me. Thank you, all of you. And so directly, without wasting of time, due to paucity of time, we should come on the answer that you asked me what motivated me to select that journey. So here it's not like a selected thing for me. The very first time, till the 12th, when I passed my exam schooling, I did not having any particular target. But just after 12th, I started to explore multiple things in which field I should go and I should make my career. So for that particular thing, I started to explore multiple things. During this period, I came in the English zone. In the English zone, many people were there who came with the different targets, but they end up having different targets. If they are coming for target A, but after some time they are changing the target B, after some time they are changing the target C. But in the English zone, after coming, I decided, and with the guidance of sir also, I decided I will not change my target. I heard from many people that it is not for me, it is not for the person who is not having the background, who is not having someone in their family belonging this field, but still I decided with the guidance of sir or by exploring multiple things that I will do this. Even if I will not succeed, I will end up giving my each and everything to this examination and will give everything that I'll able to get succeed in this examination. Thank you.
It was really nice. I would like to pass the mic to Taiba ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. And it's really a great opportunity to me that I'm gonna ask to my idol some questions because from starting I'm learning from him so many things and he really helped me to change my journey along with so many people. So my question is this to you, Abhishek, Arvind sir, that you choose to become IAS, right? So choosing this, didn't you feel that will I be complete or which type of hurdles will you face? Because it's been so many time, so many years you are trying to be it, and maybe in your life you are suffering so many things that someone is saying that what you will do to become and what are you doing? You are just passing your time and all. So what would you say on that time? How do you manage yourself?
No, it's a very good question that how I'm managing myself or how it feels to have this much great target and not having any challenges. But one thing I'd like to tell you that from my experience of English Zone or from my experience of this examination, one thing I learned that success is not like ladder that one step you are taking and the second, the next step you are filling up, then you will continuously feeling yourself that you are moving upward. It's like zigzag path. One day you will feel motivated, the second day you are feeling it's not for me. On the third day again you are feeling motivated. This today I'll break up the I will break up the things. I will break the legs of the multiple people. But it's like on a conditional basis. If you are feeling for a particular thing, so you must not feel that I will be on the top always, but you must feel that if I am doing this thing, so it's not for me that मैं ये पूरा करूँगा. आपको ये कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि मैं बस इसमें काम करते हुए रुकूं नहीं. मैंने बहुत से ऐसे लोग देखे हैं जो बहुत अच्छे से स्टार्ट करते हैं, मुझसे भी बेटर पोजीशन पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब मैंने ये प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी थी तो मेरे साथ में अराउंड 15 to 20 मेंबर्स थे जिन्होंने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करी थी. बट आज मैं जब याद करता हूँ तो मेरे साथ में 2 या 3 ही सीरियस एस्पिरेंट हैं. सब लोगों ने या तो टारगेट चेंज कर लिया, सब लोगों ने या तो हार मान ली कि ये नहीं, ये हमारी बस की बात नहीं है. सब लोगों ने डिफरेंट फील्ड चूज कर ली. बट गेटिंग अप ऑलवेज कि आज मुझे अपना 100% देना है. If I am not able to give my 100%, at least I will not give up. I will keep trying for my thing, and one day I will get the decided thing of me.
That's wonderful thing. Now I would like to give this chance to Abhishek sir to go forward this conversation.
Thank you very much. Well, brother, I have deep feelings about you. I feel very respectful when I just listen and when I just speak the name Arvind sir. Literally. Every day, every program, every function, when we just think, okay, now we are going to celebrate Jan first name, Arvind sir is coming. Everything gets settled. Just because of a name, Arvind sir. So, thank you very much for that what you are doing, what faith and credibility you have built in yourself. That's your true character, which reflects and which teaches me as well. I learn too much from your side also. My question is this, that in a year, thousands and lakhs of the students are there in all over India who fills form for becoming an IS officer. As you also mentioned in your previous answer that many of the people started with me, but at the end there are 2 to 3. We are just left with 2, 3 serious aspirants. What is that particular motivation which keeps you motivated? That no, yeah, I will have to do. What is that something which is stuck inside and which is still making you motivated? Yes, no, brother, I will have to do it.
I got your answer. I got your question. इस बात का जवाब मैं डिटेल में देना चाहता था, बट मुझे एक थिंग स्टिक करी. आरडी सर ने एक बार कहा था क्लास में कन्वर्सेशन में कि खुद का बाप और टारगेट एक ही होना चाहिए. कोई ऐसे नहीं बोलता कि मेरे 2 बाप हैं, सब यही बोलते मेरा एक ही बाप है. तो आरडी सर ने कहा था हमेशा बाप और टारगेट एक होना चाहिए. तो मैंने उस लाइन को सिर्फ सुना नहीं था, मैंने उसको अपना लिया कि बाप और टारगेट हमेशा एक होगा और मैं उसी को अचीव करूँगा, और मैं उसी को अचीव करने की अपनी प्रिपरेशंस में लगा हुआ.
That's pretty good. In brief, it's like every time. In brief, you answered almost everything. Thank you very much for that. I would want that Kainat ma'am should proceed further.
Thank you very much for giving me this chance, and it's very pleasure to ask you this question. Well, I want to ask you that so many people are very confused like what to choose. They are confused whether I should give government exam or I should go in private sectors and all. So in this generation, we are having multiple options so that we can go further. But what will you say to those person who want to really go in this field, IS field, want to go do a government job? So what would you like to say them, and how you will motivate them?
Basically, it's a very nice question because when I started my journey, I was having no one to whom I can ask, brother, I need to start this thing, so how should I start? When to start? From where I can get the particular guidance? But today, after spending after spending a long time in this journey, I can say a person who want to start their preparation in this field, so they can just start, from the basic books. They can start from the basic books, and even before starting from the basic books, they can start having their proper mindset that if I will start this journey, definitely it will going to take your everything. It will take your golden years of your life, golden years of your young age. It will take 2 to 3 years. It will take your time. It will not allow you to move here and there. It will not allow you to distract from this journey. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि किताबें स्वतंत्र पसंद नहीं करती, सो मेरे को लगता है ये यूपीएससी के लिए बात करी गई है कि अगर आप यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो किताबों के अलावा आपका कहीं और भी ध्यान है, तो ये स्वतंत्र तो ये बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाएगी. सो लाइक दिस आई वुड लाइक टू एंड दिस आंसर.
Now I want that Ronak support some question.
As I heard about from sir, you have faced lot of struggles in your life by the family side. How you maintain that motivation and how you can guide the person who is feeling in the struggle and the life is totally is like you. How you come out from that and you are following that particular step at a particular target.
You know, before starting this preparation, I heard somewhere कि if you want to start UPSC preparation, then you need to spend your 15 hours, 16 hours a day in this journey. But I was completely wrong, because when I started this journey, I also started to copy the things that I will study this much hard, I will study this much hours. But you know, after spending 1 month or 2 months, I realized I am not capable of studying 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours continuously for long, for long duration of time. So I started that I will decide this particular target of my day and I will complete it no matter what. If I am not able to complete my target, I will not sleep, or I will not, end up my the day if I am not able to complete my target. So this simple thing, I learned from somewhere, and from English also I applied, or by hit and trial method I got this. If you will make the daily targets before sleeping, and before sleeping one day, if you are making target of the next day, and on the same day before sleeping, if you are, that talking to yourself that I made this target, this thing I have committed mistake, and by this from tomorrow I will not make the same mistake, then definitely there will not be a chance of feeling demotivated always.
Thank you everybody.